Blackpool, and I was trying to have one up until 1994 that had the biggest, which is strange to think, and then in 96 Japan took over it, if I've got that correct. I guess Fukushima or something like that. But for all I know about coasters, that was the first roller coaster I've ever been on there now today. This is the second roller coaster I've ever been on.
Slide up there looks like the craziest thing in this park.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? I wish that was there. I really wish that was there. Have you? No, I know it's not very good. Have you ever been mildly scared by a roller coaster?
Yeah, when I was a kid, you know, getting over the fear of the big ones.
Well, know those monsters now? Like, obviously there must be a term like a mega coaster. But they're roller coasters also like